Many iPhone users care about backups, but picking the right method on Mac can be tricky. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy and reliable ways to back up your iPhone to Mac and view your data like photos, messages, and WhatsApp chats directly on your computer. Part 1. How to back up iPhone to Mac with Finder. Connect iPhone to Mac. Open Finder, select iPhone. Go to General. Check Backup to this Mac. Optional Encrypt. Click Backup Now. Part 2. How to back up iPhone on Mac with iTunes. Connect iPhone to Mac via USB. Open iTunes and unlock iPhone. Click the iPhone icon in iTunes. Go to Summary, select this computer. Click Backup Now. Check status when done. Part 3. How to back up iPhone through Mac with iCloud. Step 1. Sync data from iPhone to iCloud. Go to Settings, iCloud, iCloud Backup. Turn on iCloud Backup. Plug in, lock, and connect to Wi-Fi. Tap Backup Now to start. Step 2. Check the backed up files on Mac. Open Finder on Mac. Click iCloud Drive in sidebar. Open Folders to view backup files. Part 4. How to back up iPhone to Mac or MacBook using backup software. Mobikin Assistant for iOS Mac lets you easily manage, transfer, and back up iPhone data, like contacts, messages, and photos to your Mac fully or selectively. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to Mac. Install and run Assistant for iOS on your Mac. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the Mac. Once connected successfully, the software will detect the connected iPhone, and the main interface of the program should be displayed as below. Step 2. Select your target files. All iPhone data appears in categories on the left sidebar, like contacts, messages, photos, and more. Select the types to back up, and the program will scan them. Step 3. Start to back up iPhone to a MacBook. Preview scanned files. Select what to back up, then click Export. Choose a Mac folder and wait for the transfer to finish. Part 5. Backup iPhone to Mac via AirDrop. On Mac, open Finder, AirDrop, set visibility to everyone or contacts only. On iPhone, open Control Center, press wireless panel, tap AirDrop. Select Contacts Only or Everyone. In Photos or Files app, select Files and tap Share. Choose your Mac. On Mac, click Accept to receive files saved in Downloads. Bonus: where to find iPhone backup on Mac and how to restore it. Where iPhone backups are stored on Mac, open Spotlight magnifying glass. Paste Library Application Support MobileSync Backup and press Enter. Backup folders appear. Don't move or rename them. View backups in macOS Catalina or later. Connect iPhone to Mac. Open Finder and select your iPhone under Locations. Go to General, Manage Backups. Right-click a backup and choose Show in Finder to locate it. How to restore your iPhone using a backup on Mac. Connect iPhone to Mac. Open Finder, select iPhone. Click Restore Backup. Pick Backup. Enter password if needed. Click Restore and wait.